Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fulfill orders on Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Shopify. Make sure that your account is logged in. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Once the order has been placed just like this, you can go to the orders section on your account. Now select the order you want to be fulfilled and all its details will be displayed. You can also mark them as paid by using this drop-down. To fulfill the order, click on Fulfill Item and confirm it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.